Now here, development of new industries in India. Now here in the above point, decline of traditional industries in India, we learn that the Indian artisans, many of the Indian artisans became unemployed because of the industrial revolution in India. And now then also some of the peoples from India, they were trying to manage their business and capital, and they come forward in large numbers to develop our new industries in India. Now here we see, due to the lack of British support, experience of management and capital, the Indian businessmen could not come forward in large number. We have seen in the above point that British government were obtaining huge tax on Indian goods, huge tax on goods exported from India to England, and in the comparison to this, less tax on the goods which were imported from England to India because of the policy of the British government or lack of British government support. And management, experience of management and capital of Indian business could not come forward in large number. But yet, though the British government is not going to support the Indian businessmen, then also some of them, they built up their business by overcoming this problem, by overcoming this all the problems like experience of management and capital on the Indian businessmen, less support of British government. Then also some of the businessmen, they come forward, and in it, in the year 1853, Kawasji Nanabhoi Davar started the first textile mill in Mumbai. First textile mill was started by Kawasji Nanabhoi Davar in the year 1853 in Mumbai. And in the year 1853, the first railway also ran between Mumbai to Thane in the year 1853. And the first textile mill was also started in Mumbai in the year 1853. Now, in 1855, the first jute mill was started at Risra in Bengal. Now, these businessmen, they built up their business by overcoming all the above problems, and this person, Kawasji Nanabhai Davar, he started the first textile mill. Then the first jute mill was started by at Risra in Bengal in the year 1907 by Jamshedji Tata. Established in the year now was started at Risra in Bengal, the first jute mill. Next, in the year 1907, Jamshedji Tata established the Tata Iron and Steel Company at Jamshedpur. In the year 1907, Jamshedji Tata, this businessman or this person, established the steel company, Tata, named as Tata Iron and Steel Company at Jamshedpur. In India, coal, metals, sugar, cement and chemical industries came to be started. So in this we have to learn about the Kawasji Nanabhai Davar started textile mill in Mumbai. First jute mill was started in the year 1855. In the year 1907, Jamshedji Tata established Tata Iron and Steel Company. Later on, coal, metal, sugarcane or sugar, cement and all chemical, many of the chemical industries